Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Bitcoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So this here may look like a few weeks worth of time. It's actually just the past few days broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to do this time frame. Does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Friendly reminder, Bitcoin is open 24/7, so if you're watching this video 15, 20 hours after I upload it, then yeah, the chart's going to look a little bit different for you. But my goal here from the presentation standpoint is to keep this video relevant for as long as possible. And I'm going to accomplish that by talking about just more so general levels, and then walking you through some questions, and based on how you answer those questions, that'll dictate the current status of the chart. So the last analysis video I did, the big topic was, hey, you know what, this trend line has been broken. Now it's just a question of, is this trend line break gonna, hold up? Is this just one of those fake breakouts? And as of right now, it's looking like that was a very genuine breakout. And the main way, that was determined was, and will still continue to be determined going forward, is that first question you're gonna want to ask yourself. So let's just use that 20-hour number. Let's say you're watching this video 20 hours from now. Question number one becomes at that time, okay, well, where's the price still at relative to that green line there at 9,500? As long as you're answering the question that the price is up above 9,500, then that trend line breakout is still definitely in full control. The bulls, basically that's as healthy as it can get. So because of that, though, I am going to go ahead and get rid of that line as it served its purpose. But moral of the story here, 9,500, definitely that very important level going forward. And as of right now, it's looking like the price is, going to very well stay up above it. But if you're watching the video, like I said, 20 hours from now, and you're answering the question, well, Clay, actually the price is down below 9,500. Next, level you would want to ask, but I'm not going to map it out here because I don't think it'll really come into play, would be the 9,100 mark. But if somehow something crazy happens and, 20 hours from now, you're saying, well, yeah, Clay, not only is the price down below 9,500, it's also down below 9,100. Well, yeah, at that point, something's not quite right, and that would be a massive red flag. Now, on the flip side of things, gut instincts, common sense will take you far. If you're saying, well, Clay, yeah, the price is actually still above 9,500, then it just becomes a question of, okay, well, how far up above 9,500 is it? Don't get me wrong, sitting up here at 9,900, that would be a great thing. But if you're saying, well, Clay, it's actually at 10,500 right now, that would be just that much more of a better thing, and that's what it's all about. So from that point of view, from that angle, like I said, gut instincts, common sense will take you far. But ideally speaking, as long as the price is above 9,500, it can stay above that going forward. Like I said, from the bigger picture point of view, that implies that a very healthy consolidation is in play. So in my mind, at least, the most important thing right now, just staying up above 9,500, and that would allow for the higher base to be built, and that's what you want to see for long-term health. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.